made some comments yesterday in Birmingham, and I heard there was some reaction. I said, okay, that's fine, but you haven't seen anything yet.
Hey, not all.
You see, I said, those who live by the sword die by the sword. And to tell the governor, or whatever he calls himself, I don't know him, I've never met him, that when you start with violence, you will reap. Because for 1 year since I left office, I didn't say one word, I didn't do anything. I said, look, let me respect myself, let me give them an opportunity to also try. So go and find out, you will see one thing I said about that government. For 1 year, from November 12th when I finished till this last November, I didn't say one thing. Then suddenly, you and the palace organize, you go, you attack diplomats who came to watch exhibition in Moa. You send people singing and threatening me. Go and watch those clips and the kind of things they were saying about me. Threatening me between the government and the palace. That was not enough. Government paid people to come to Manchester to attack me. And they hurt you, slapped Albert. So who has started this violence? Is it me? No. Last week, or this week, this governor, or whatever he calls himself, had a disgraceful press conference where he was threatening me. Somebody born in Moredo, this is a villager, telling me that I cannot come to Benin. That when I come to Benin, you will show me. Me. Obaseki, when I'm ready to go, we all come. It's an insult. Like me saying he cannot go to his village wherever he comes from. He's coming to threaten. That will tell you that where they have gone to mentally. So there's even threatening violence. So if now I respond, nobody should hold me responsible. Because it is clear, I can't leave myself empty to be hurt and attacked by deranged people like that. So I'm going to fight back and give them everything. I will fight back.
Hey! Don't cut!
I didn't start the fight. Look at the clowns they paid to come and disrupt this event. Junkies. And they call themselves a government.
Junkie.
And because they are afraid, they know they did not win the election. I was in INEC that day and I saw what they did. Shameful.